Should there be government censorship? The two countries with the most extreme form of censorship remain to be China and North Korea. During the recent Wuhan virus incident, doctors in China were silenced and suppressed from sharing any information about the illness when the problem first started. There was a countrywide blackout about the coronavirus. In a time where people are demanding more freedom, some countries are trying to do the opposite. Internet users are not only worried about their online lives in communist countries, but also democratic countries like South Korea or the UK. Verification for accessing sites or apps in South Korea often requires an official ID check, which can violate users' privacy. In addition, the Korean government started to intercept SNI data, which basically gives information about the website you visit, regardless if the information is supposed to be encrypted or not. They are then able to block websites that are blacklisted by the government. Although Koreans have freedom of speech, they are limited to not undermining society and the government's control. Similar countries are following with their own laws, and social media sites like Facebook and Instagram have contradicting rules about what can be posted or needs to be blurred out. On the other hand, censorship could perhaps make the internet a better place to live. In South Korea, keyboard warriors are notorious for their comments and ways to ruin someone's life through the internet. Others argue that there is no need to worry if you're not doing anything illegal. Also, many parents with young children support censoring adult content like pornography in order to protect them from inappropriate information. Thanks for listening, and I will see you all in class.